Hearty welcome to Hasini Kiran's Home and Kitchen. Many of us have unexpected guests, isn't it? Or are you craving for something sweet? In such instance, we are here with a dessert that can be made in a jiffy. Double ka meeta is an Indian bread pudding that originated from the city of Nizam's Hyderabad. This is a rich, high calorie dessert also known as bread halwa. Let's see how it's made. Check out the ingredients. Here I have 4 bread slices, green cardamom powder, ghee or clarified butter, raisins, sugar, and cashew nuts. We start the process by chopping the bread into small pieces. You may keep the edges if you wish. In the traditional recipe, the bread pieces are deep fried in ghee. That add to quite some extra calories. Here we have a low calorie tip. Try and make the bread pieces very small and grind them into a fine powder. You may keep the dark edges to fry later in ghee. These edges can be either grinded or can be put separately so that we can fry later in ghee. Now the breadcrumbs are ready. In a thick pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and fry the cashew nuts till golden brown. Fry the raisins too in ghee till they become plump. Heat another tablespoon of ghee and shallow fry the breadcrumbs along with the bread edges. If you want the rich creamy texture, you may add up to 4 tablespoons of ghee. I am here adding the third spoon. Fry on medium flame while stirring continuously till you get a nice aroma and the breadcrumbs turn golden brown. Set aside and let it cool. Bring 2.5 cups of water in the pot to boil and then add half cup of sugar. Mix well till the sugar melts. Let the flame remain in low to medium flame. Add the breadcrumbs and stir well. Let the breadcrumbs absorb all the sugar syrup as it thickens and starts leaving the pan. Add the green cardamom powder. Green cardamom powder is made just by crushing the green cardamoms into a fine powder and removing the skin of the green cardamoms. And add fried cashew nuts and raisins. I have shown you the best consistency. You can adjust it to your taste. Serve this dessert while hot. Your guest will be amazed at how quickly you made this rich and yummy dessert. This dish is a must try when you want to pamper your sweet tooth. Please try and comment us your feedback. Like and share the video and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.